Most people believe authority comes from visibility, being seen, being known. Being recognized, calm people often gain authority without any of that. Not by hiding, but by operating differently. This video is about how authority actually forms when visibility is low, why calm ambition doesn't need attention to gain influence, and why quiet authority tends to last longer than visible authority. Visibility is easy to measure. You can see it, track it, react to it. Authority is harder to observe. It appears gradually. Often after decisions have already stuck, that delay causes confusion. People assume visibility caused the authority. Often it didn't. Authority starts with judgment, small decisions made consistently, choices that hold under pressure, responses that remain stable over time. Calm people focus here first. They refine judgment quietly without announcing intent. Signaling competence invites evaluation. Evaluation invites comparison. Comparison invites challenge. Calm ambition avoids this early. Not strategically, instinctively. They let decisions speak instead of explanations. Authority grows through repetition. When outcomes repeat, people adjust behavior automatically. They stop questioning, they defer without discussion. They assume alignment. These shifts happens quietly. No announcement required. Visible authority depends on perception. Perception fluctuates. When attention shifts, authority weakens. Calm authority doesn't depend on attention. It's embedded in behavior, not image. Resistance forms when authority feels imposed. Calm authority isn't imposed. It emerges gradually, so resistance never fully activates. By the time authority is noticed, it's already normal. Silence creates predictability. Predictability builds trust. Calm people don't over-explain. They don't justify constantly. They don't seek agreement. Their restraint signals confidence. There's a moment when authority becomes visible. Not through declaration, but through reliance. Others check first. They wait. They adjust decisions around you. Authority appears after the behavior has already changed. Because it wasn't borrowed from attention. It was built through consistency. Consistency doesn't expire quickly. That's why calm authority survives change, while visible authority often resets. Most people rush the process. They seek recognition before reliability. They want confirmation before repetition. Calm ambition accepts the delay. The patience is the difference. Authority doesn't require visibility. It requires consistency. Calm ambition builds authority quietly and lets outcomes make it obvious.